So here we are at Van Wert Cartsmore, 883 North Washington Street, 419-238-2732. Looking at this red themed 2015 Ohio State EZGO TXT with a 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. Very, very good looking cart. Has the 5-inch EZGO lift kit on it. Has the 14-inch gray and silver SS wheels with the 22 by 10 by 14 Trail Fox all-terrain tire. There's your Rocks lift kit, 5-inch lift kit. Has the LED headlights, tail lights. It does have turn signals, four-way flashers, horn. Give that little beep here. Yeah. And it's got the four-way flashers, brake lights. It will have a windshield and a 5-panel mirror included. Also has a place for 2 USB ports. Check out the engine compartment. Like I said, you got that 13.5 horse Kawasaki gas engine. We do have a brand new battery, brand new air filter, brand new fuel filter, spark plug, oil filter. Changed the engine oil, did a full tune-up on it. This baby's ready to rock and roll. Does have the rear seat for a 4-passenger seating capacity. That doubles down into a bed. That way you can put cargo or whatever back there. Does have a lighted rear license plate bracket. Hey, this baby is a good looking cart. Get out here today, take it for a test drive. Speaking of test drive, let's just get on her and start her up, and here we go. Oh yeah, cruising around here at 883 North Washington Street in this 2015 EZGO Ohio State themed gas golf cart. Man, I tell you what, this baby is sharp, sharp, sharp. Hey, get out here. 883 North Washington Street, 419-238-2732. Give us a call. Stop in for your test drive today. As always, appreciate you checking us out. Look forward to meeting y'all. Stop on in.